Hi everybody, my name is Liz. I'm from Northeastern Pennsylvania, and I have my undergrad in Human Development and Family Studies from Penn State. Right now I'm working as a program supervisor for a program called the Bridge to Independence Program. This is through Catholic Social Services, and our program here is a independent living facility for young adults ages 18 to 26 years old with a primary mental health diagnosis. Our role here at the Bridge program is to help and guide these young adults who are stable with their mental health, kind of pick up the last little pieces that they need support with so that they can transition and move out into the community on their own. I do have such a passion working for individuals with mental health issues. I have worked in several CRR programs. I've worked as a school-based case manager for young children with mental health issues, and this is really the primary focus of my career. I do believe that there are so many wonderful sources for individuals with mental health issues that people just really don't know about, and I feel like my program is one of those. There's just not a lot of information out about it, but once the word gets out, we really do see such success with the young adults that we work with. We do not provide a lot of clinical treatment at our program. That is the role of the therapist and the psychiatrist my clients work with. So I do collaborate with them in providing them feedback and different information about my clients to assist them with making a diagnosis for our clients. It's nice meeting all of you, and I'm very excited for this course. Thank you.